about to do a braid out. This is my hair right now. I had some knotless braids in and I took them out yesterday, and this is my hair now. Pretty dirty, pretty frizzy. Like, it's hot outside, so it just was frizzing out. I just had like the braid out from those braids. But I'm about to wash my hair. My nails just so fat. I'm about to wash my hair and we're gonna come back. You know, our goal for today is for us to do the best braid out we've ever done and to be able to actually wear it in the braid out gown. Because last time I did this, my curls was defined and it was so fat, but I put it up and then I had the rest hanging down like this. It was a cute style, don't get me wrong. And then on the second day I wore it down, but they gave it a more full effect. So hopefully, and last time I had it in for 2 days. I had my braids in for 2 days. This time I'm only gonna have my braids in for a day. I'm taking the braids down tomorrow. But I bought this thing that attaches to my blow dryer, so it's like a you know, a hooded dryer, and I hope that's gonna help me. But we about to wash it right now. I'm gonna show y'all the products I'm using in a second. Okay, so I just finished washing and conditioning my hair. I'm gonna show y'all what I use to do that, even though that's not part of the braid out. But I use this to wash it. I haven't used this in a while. I haven't used it in like some years, but I didn't have no other good shampoo that suffices. Yeah. Then I put this conditioner in. I usually use this as a pre-poo to detangle my hair, but my hair wasn't really that tangled, so I used it as an actual conditioner. That's what's in my head now. I know it's not deep conditioner or nothing, but honestly, I usually never use conditioner. I always use leave-in conditioner. But whenever I do put just a regular conditioner in my hair, I always leave it for like 5 minutes while I just clean up the sink or whatever. This is my water. This is my one product that I'm using right here. Cream of Nature Moisturizer Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. Get into it. I used this one time before. That's it. So you have so much faith in this. My hair is kind of drying up a little bit. I'm gonna spray it. You know, just 2 good sprays. That's it. That's all we doing. And I'm gonna just comb through it just a little bit. Well, it should be detangled already, y'all know. 1 to 2. I don't know if it's even, but y'all know it feels like it's pretty even to me. Do it feel that way? Actually, it feels like there's more on this side than this side, but I think that's just because of, I don't know, I'm gonna take it a little bit more. And we're gonna just clip this up here. Get our product, our one product. We're gonna put it on there. I'm talking moisture again. Rub it in, rub it all the way in. Root to tip, root to tip, we're rubbing it in. Every strand should be coated. Beforehand. But we were braiding. We doing us a braid out. Let me do this. We're doing us a braid out. So we're gonna take. Yeah, you know how to braid? Do y'all know how to braid? Like, duh, we gonna braid. I'm sorry, some people don't know how to braid, but we just doing the regular braids. We're not doing no French braids like that. If you can't regular braid, you know, you take 3 pieces and you just cross. I want mine to be tight at the top, so I'm making it tight. Honestly, I can barely braid. I mean, I can braid like this, but I could barely French braid. But this is how we're doing it. If you're doing like twists, then you can use a clip at the top for the roots. And I try to make it, this braid is kind of uneven. This piece is a little smaller than the other ones. But I try to do it so that it's even, so that, you know, the curls are even. So now I hate having to pull pieces from other ones like this to make it more even. Plus I'm doing it towards the end. But yeah, so I feel like I'm just rambling. Braid, 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 braid. And I'm gonna braid down. I'm gonna braid down. Now y'all see, what do I, my phone just stopped recording, it didn't say why, but what do I have? Like, is this 1 inch too? I don't know, but I have some hair left over. We're gonna leave that out, and this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab a roller and we're gonna roll the end. I'm actually doing it a little bit higher up on the braid, just a little bit, just cause I don't know, that's what I feel like doing. And we're gonna roll it this way. And I'm gonna keep the rows kind of tight, close together. And I'm gonna take this, well, I'm gonna roll this up a little bit outside. Take this, clip it together, and boom. That's how we finna do the rest of the hair. Okay, now I got this top part left. I'm gonna split this into 4. At first I was gonna do 3, and I was gonna do like 1, 2, 3, and then do a side part. But I'm gonna just do 4, and I'm gonna split it in the middle, and then do 2 and 2. Cool. Okay, y'all, I just finished my last braid and curl. This is the final, not final, but you know, it's the look. Come on, look. My ear is burning. I was alternating from like cold and hot kinda, but I finished with hot. I'm about to take this off and see if my hair really dry. I was under here for like 35, maybe 40 minutes. My left foot is asleep. It's definitely, honestly, if it's not dry, I'm leaving it like this, and I'm going to be it'll drop the neck collapse. I'll be able to tell if it's dry or not, because it's gonna come in, because it's hot. So I'll check it in a second. I'm gonna wrap this, take the thing off the dryer and stuff, and see how I feel, if it's really dry. I feel like it is, but like, I'm not sure.
The next day.
I came to the living room. I don't know why I thought the lighting would help me, but I don't know. I would say this is a kind of fail, kind of not. I'm not sure. This side looks better than this side. This is a full. This is right here. Y'all see? It just looks stop and then it go. I want it to flow a little bit more. Flow a little bit more. Okay, y'all, that is all that I have for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow my Instagram, it'll be below. Y'all can follow my personal page or my business page, you know, or you can follow both if you're feeling nice like that. Of course I'm gonna follow back, but that is all that I have for you all. Don't forget to stay pretty, stay paid, and